Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make the background black and white and the object colorful on CapCut PC. Select your video and copy and paste your video. On the second video, go to cutout, select auto cutout. Then on the first video, go to adjustments and turn down the saturation. You can also play with the brightness and the contrast as well. And on the second video, you're just going to go to adjustments again and kind of turn up the saturation just a little bit, not too much. Then again, you can play around like with the brightness and the contrast as well. And that is it. Super simple. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!